Let's make a 5-minute blackberry dressing. I have already washed and dried my blackberries, and I'm gonna put those directly into a food processor. Then I'm gonna zest a lemon directly in here. I got this one from my neighbor's tree, which I'm really excited about. You can do as much of the lemon zest as you'd like. I'm gonna do probably about half. Then I'm gonna use a knife and get all of that citrus goodness out. If you don't wanna dirty a dish, you can also use your finger. Then take the same lemon and squeeze a little bit of that juice in there. We're looking for about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna add in some red wine vinegar. If you don't have red wine vinegar, you can also do apple cider vinegar. And do some olive oil. If you want, you can add a little bit of sweetness. You can do either sugar, I'm doing some brown sugar, but you can also do maple syrup or agave. A sprinkle of salt and pepper. Close up your food processor and blend it up. This is what the color looks like. It's so pretty. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Very good. That is the perfect time to do a taste test. When you're giving a taste, please adjust according to your liking. You can add a little bit more sugar or sweetener. You can add in a little bit more lemon juice. I think I want to add in just a little lemon juice because I have the rest of this and I don't want it to go to waste. So I add that, and I'm gonna add in a little more sweetener and give it another go. Then use a clean spoon, no double dipping. Unless you're eating it yourself, then I guess I see why there's no reason. But, so good. I'm gonna pour mine in a mason jar. Hope I don't make a mess. And then give it a little scrape. Get as much of this as possible. I like using a silicone spoon for that. I'm gonna put together my super quick side salad with some store-bought lettuce mix. This is the baby spinach and spring mix from Walmart. I have already rinsed my produce. I know it can be controversial to put fruit on your salad, but I'm trying to make this as easy as possible, but also as fiber-filled as possible. And I put a little blueberries on mine. You can add on any vegetables you want, and then add on my dressing. Oh, so beautiful. This is what it looks like. I love the color.